Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
morning, sir. Raja speech
Morning, sir.
Raja
Good morning,
speech
sir.
competition है.
Morning,
Morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, Raja speech competition है.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Okay, very good morning.
Morning, sir. अरे तो मजे मत करो.
Anybody else from this class whose name is not in this list? Next, and down your hand also. Down your hand also. Next, Manvi. Manvi, unmute yourselves. Manvi, unmute yourselves. Manvi, unmute yourselves. Manvi, unmute yourselves.
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
सर मेरा नाम नहीं लिखा.
section C. Manvi, section C.
Yes, sir.
MANVI, Manvi, section C. Okay. Mute yourself and down your hand. Okay. Mute yourself and down your hand. Next. Shyam. Shyam,
Yes, sir.
tell me,
सर मेरा नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है.
name and class. Shyam, section
सर 5B.
D. Okay. Next. Mute yourself and down your hand. Swati Kumari. Swati,
मेरा भी नाम लिस्ट
class and section, name and section. Section.
सर 5 पे.
Okay.
A.
Okay. Mute yourself and down your hands. Next. Ritika. Prapti. Prapti. Prapti Prajapati.
सर मेरा नाम लिस्ट है.
Okay. Prapti Prajapati.
5B.
Prapti Prajapati B. Okay. Next. Next. Okay. Mute yourself and down your hands. Ritika. 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 Ritika Kumari 5A.
नाम जो है.
Prapti, you mute yourself. Ritika, unmute yourself. Ritika Kumari 5A, unmute yourself. Ritika Kumari, she is not responding. Okay. Swadhasri, unmute yourself. Swadhasri, unmute yourself.
सर मेरा नेम भी नहीं है लिस्ट में.
अच्छा, क्लास और सेक्शन बोलो.
सर स्वदाश्री 5B.
5B. Okay. Next. Mute yourself and down your hands. Bhavya Kishore. भाव्या किशोर,
सर मेरा भी नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है।
रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए हमारे
सर मेरा नाम लिस्ट में नहीं है।
भाव्या किशोर, सेक्शन
रजिस्ट्रेशन में
सेक्शन
सर बी।
ओके,
फोटो मिला के क्रॉप
डाउन योर हैंड एंड म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
यस सर।
ओके, निशांत अनुपम, निशांत अनुपम,
यस सर।
टेल मी।
सर मेरा भी नाम नहीं है लिस्ट में सर।
ओहो, निशांत अनुपम तो है ही। क्लास और सेक्शन बोलो,
है
सेक्शन बोलो।
सर सी। सर सी है सेक्शन।
ना देखे हुए तुम लोग बोल दे रहा है कि मेरा नाम नहीं है और मेरा नाम नहीं है, देखना चाहिए ना। श्यामली,
यस सर, सर मेरा है।
श्यामली का नाम है? श्यामली,
सर आप स्क्रीन शेयर हटा दिए हैं इसलिए हम लोग को नहीं पता चला।
नहीं पता चल रहा है? तो देखो यहाँ पर श्यामली, चलो श्यामली, जिसका नाम है वो अपना नाम हटो, अपना हाथ मत उठाना।
यस सर है।
चलो नेक्स्ट। और कौन? जिसका नाम नहीं है वो अपना, जिसका नाम है वो अपना हाथ हटा लो। चलो और बताओ, और कौन है?
श्याम तुम्हारा नहीं है।
किसका? ओके ओवर।
सर ये नेम किसने लिखा आ रहा है?
तुमको पता ही नहीं है तो तुम चुप रहो, कल ही बता चुके थे। ओके, और किसी को पार्टिसिपेट करना है अभी? Anybody else? चलो और कोई? Anybody else? चलो let's start. Okay, now mute yourself everybody. Let me tell you first. I will tell your name and you will unmute yourself and you will start speaking for the 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. When I will say you stop, you will stop yourself. Okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Let me start my watch. And you have to speak in English without seeing your notebook. Camera on रहेगा, ठीक है? कैमरा ऑन रहेगा, कैमरे के सामने आकर फ्लुएंटली बोलना है, ठीक है? ओके, स्टॉप वॉच स्टार्ट कर लिए। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू लॉक द मीटिंग। जो बाहर चले जाएंगे वो फिर बाहर चले जाएंगे। नाउ सो लेट्स सी नेम एंड सेक्शन। हाँ, I will call you, I will say the name and you will okay, you will start speaking. First of all, I will call the name of section A. Let me tell the name of all the participants who are having here: Smriti Komal, Srishti Raj, Abhinav Kumar, Shyamli, Nishant Anupam, Sonali, Sachi, and Trisha Ranjan, Manvi, Shyam, Swati, Prapti Prajapati, Swadha Shri, Bhavya Kishore. These are the name I am having. Okay. Next, few cells. Hello. 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 Okay, now let's start. First will be Smriti Komal, then Srishti Raj, and then Abhinav Kumar. Smriti Komal, Srishti Raj, and Abhinav Kumar. So Smriti Komal, Srishti Raj and Abhinav Kumar. Okay, first chance will be given Smriti Komal. First will be Smriti Komal, then Srishti Raj, and then Abhinav Kumar. Okay, so accordingly you will unmute yourself and don't raise your hand now. Okay, so first of all, Smriti Komal, raise your hand. Smriti Komal, raise your hand. Okay, now Smriti Komal, unmute yourself. दूसरे कोई लोग हाथ नहीं उठाओगे? Yes, Smriti Komal, you raise your hand.
Good morning to all of you.
Wait, when I will
Good
say
morning.
then, yes, start.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Smriti Komal from class 5A. Today I am going to speak on importance of forest. Forests provide wildlife shelter and living. Forest bears many flowers, fruits and roots which are suitable for human consumption. Forests hold the top and underground soil firmly and prevent soil erosion. Wood from the forest is a great requirement in the production of furniture and in the building of wood. Forests covering a large area promote perfect seasonal rains through their vast amounts of transpiration. Forests help in large-scale exchange of gases and thence demote the level of air pollution. Many useful drugs and alkaloids are extracted from the forests. Forests promote biodiversity to a great extent. Forests enhance the rate of decomposition, formation of soil, and hence maintain the ecological services. Either directly or indirectly, forests bless a large crowd with employment. Forests are the survival for all living beings. They provide oxygen, food, shelter, fuel, and means of livelihood for the tribal people living in around the forest area. We conserve the forest by control deforestation, protect against forest fires, and by promotion of afforestation are the main factors to conserve the forest. Thank you. Have you a wonderful day.
Thank you. Thank you. But your video was not functioning. And first, what is your name?
Smriti Komal.
Smriti Komal. Okay. Okay, Smriti Komal. Next student, are you ready? Next student, whose name I told? Next it is, I think, Srishti Raj.
Srishti.
Okay, Srishti, are you ready? Don't raise your hand. I am not going to entertain you. Okay. Srishti. Now you mute yourself, Smriti Komal. Now Srishti, raise your hand. Srishti, raise your hand. Srishti, you raise your hand. Okay. Wait, I have unmuted you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Srishti Raj. I read in class 5A. I am going to recite a speech on topic importance of forest. The importance of forest cannot be underestimated. We can depend on forest for our survival from the air. We can depend on bread to the wood we use besides providing habitats for humans and for also after watershed protection, prevent soil erosion, mitigate climate change. And forest conservation may provide a diversity of ecosystem service including recycling carbon dioxide into oxygens. Forests also serve as a source of lumber and recreational areas. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Srishti. Okay. Thank you. Srishti Raj. Next who is?
Abhinav.
Abhinav Kumar of section B. Okay. Abhinav Kumar. Okay. Abhinav, raise your hand. Just down your hand and mute yourself. Abhinav. Okay. Abhinav, unmute yourself. Wait, Abhinav. Yes, Abhinav, you start. You can start. Start, Abhinav. Abhinav, start. Unmute yourself. Abhinav Kumar.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abhinav Kumar. I read in class 5B. My topic is deforestation. How to stop? Deforestation is the cutting down of trees in the forest in a large number. Deforestation has always been threat to our environment. Deforestation, yeah, but still many humans are causing ecological imbalance. Yet some selfish people feel into her pocket. Mm, Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Abhinav. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Now next it is it will be Shyamli, Sonali and Sachi. Okay, Shyamli, Sonali and Sachi. Okay, are you ready? Shyamli, Sonali and Sachi. Let me write the name. Okay. Now next, Shyamli, raise your hands. Now all of you mute yourself. After speaking, you will mute yourself. Okay. Shyamli, raise your hand. Shyamli, raise your hand. Okay. I have unmuted you, Shyamli.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Kamli Kumari. Today I recite a speech on importance of forest. Forests are our natural wealth. They are a very important resource for us. They provide us with many things. Some of them are forests are an important part of our ecosystem, interrelationship with each other and their carbon and their surrounding is called ecosystem. Trees use carbon dioxide present in air and give out oxygen, which is utilized for survival by the process of photosynthesis. Trees convert sunlight into food. Food thus are the main resource of food for all living beings. These provide shelter to many animals like tigers, lions, zebras, birds, monkeys, and squirrels, etc. Trees and plants prevent soil erosion. Trees help to make the climate pleasant. In some trees soak up rainwater and make the groundwater available. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Shyamli, whether you have read or you have spoken? आप कैमरा को पहले ढंग से रखो सामने, पहले कैमरे को ढंग से रखो. हाँ अब बोलो, अब बोलना शुरू करो फिर से. Now you speak like this. Okay, now you speak. Put your camera. Yes. Now you start to speak. Yes.
Forests are our natural wealth. They are a very important resource for us. They provide us with many
सामने
things.
देखकर
Some
बोलो,
of
कैमरा को
them
देखकर
are.
बोलो, कैमरा को देखकर बोलने का आदत डालो, कैमरा को देखकर बोलने का आदत डालो. हाँ ऐसे कैमरा को देखकर बोलो, ठीक है, ये आदत डालना चाहिए. इट इज गुड हैबिट. यस गुड. बोलो, कैमरा को देखकर बोलो.
Forests are natural wealth. Forests are natural wealth. They are a very with many things. Some of them are. Forests are an important part of our ecosystem. The plant and animal in an area and their interrelationship with each other and their surrounding is called ecosystem. Ecosystem and trees get carbon dioxide and present in air and give out oxygen, which is vital for our survival. By the process of photosynthesis, trees convert sunlight into food. Trees thus are the main source of food for all living beings. These provide shelter to many animals like tigers, lions, zebras, birds, monkeys, and squirrels, etc. Trees are planted to prevent shade erosion. Trees help to make the climate pleasant in some other trees seek up rainwater and make the groundwater available. Trees provide us with for fuel
Okay.
and timber for making furniture, roofs, doors, windows, etc.
Thank you. Okay. Good. Next it is Sonali. Sonali, are you ready? Raise your hand, Sonali. You down your hand and mute yourself. Chamli, you down your hand and mute yourself. Next, Sonali. Sonali. Sonali, are you ready? I have unmuted you. Sonali, 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 if you are not here, I will give this chance to others. Sonali. Yes. Yes. You can be seen here. Yes, go ahead. Speak. Put your camera in a good position first. First, you put your camera and you have to see the camera. Okay. Your eyes should be on the camera. Yes, start. Cannot hear you, Sonali. Sonali, we cannot hear you. Yes. Start speaking. बोलो.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ आ रही है. चलो बोलो. ठीक है.
Good morning, all of us. My name is Nali Kumari. I read in class 5A. Today, I am going to give a speech on deforestation. Deforestation is the process of cutting down the forest without replanting them again The causes for deforestation are to obtain wood and fuel, or to use the land of farming or construction. For the time of till now, foresthood is very essential for human in our day-to-day life. Forests help in maintaining water cycle, oxygen and carbohydrate balancing, and provide shelter to many species of on earth. Forests cover nearly 30% of the earth. Land deforestation result in destroying the habitat for many species of animals and birds. Imbalance of oxygen and carbohydrate in the ecosystem, water cycle, destroy climate change, soil erosion, few crops, floods, and drops, greenhouse gas effect, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. Next, it is Sachi. Okay, down your hand and mute yourself. Sonali, down yourself and mute yourself. Sachi. Next. Sachi. Sachi, raise your hand. Sachi, raise your hands. Okay. I have unmuted you, Sachi.
Yes, sir.
I have unmuted you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sachi Kumari. I read in class 5A, and today I am going to recite a speech on the topic deforestation, how to stop it. As we all know, forest is very important in our ecosystem. It gives us so many beneficial things to us. But today we have to facing some problems because of deforestation. So here is a question arise. What is deforestation? What problem created by it? And how to stop it? Deforestation is a cutting down of trees in forests in a very large number. There are many harmful effects of deforestation. Some of them are soil erosion, landslide, flood, etc. Deforestation is also Deforestation is also affecting the wildlife. By the cutting down of trees, it is affecting it is decreasing the water in atmosphere. To stop this type of problem, we have to stop deforestation. We can do a joint effort to prevent deforestation. We do not waste paper and try to not use wood and products, so there are less cutting of trees. The government must put a ban on deforestation. The government must put a ban on deforestation. The government must control on population. So at last I want to say that forest give us good look, don't destroy them. From Earth book. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Sachi. You spoken well.
Thank you, sir.
Next is after Sachi, it is Trisha Ranjan, Manvi and Syam. Trisha Ranjan, Manvi and Syam. Okay. Trisha, Manvi and Syam. Okay. Trisha, Manvi and Syam. Okay. Trisha Ranjan, okay. Trisha Ranjan, raise your hand. Sachi, you mute yourself and down your hand. Trisha Ranjan, raise your hand. Yes. Trisha Ranjan. त्रिशा कुमारी, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? त्रिशा रंजन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ। त्रिशा रंजन, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ।
यस सर। सर बोलूं?
Sachi, you unmute yourself, Sachi. Ritika Kumari, why you have raised your hand? Let's yes, you start.
Good morning, everyone. I am Trisha Ranjan of class 5B. I am here to enlighten the topic importance of forest and how to conserve it. We all know that we get wood, medicine, flower, gum, resins, and much more things from forest. It also reduces air pollution. It also helps in bring good rain, leads better crops. It also helps in check global warming by absorbing large amount of carbon dioxide. Forests serve as home for many types of animals, including mammals, reptiles, birds, insects, and wild animals. Forests are also known as earth, lungs of earth and air purifier because they absorb large amount of carbon dioxide and change into oxygen. We should conserve forests by minimizing the use of wood and wood products and using less paper. For the protection of forest, the act called Forest Conservation Act has been enacted by the Indian Parliament in 1980. According to his rule, cutting down of trees in forest is a punishable offense. Also, a responsible citizen, we must plant more and more trees and should not cut trees. That's all. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. बहुत अच्छे. त्रिशा रंजन, you also spoke well. Next, after Trisha Ranjan, it is Manvi. Then Manvi, are you ready? Manvi, raise your hand. Manvi, raise your hand. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Manvi. Yes. Start, Manvi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Manvi Kumari, class from 5C. My topic is deforestation, how to stop it. Deforestation is when forests are destroyed by cutting trees, logging, and not replanting them. The most common reason is to clear the land to make farms and ranches. They also cut trees for firewood and lumbers and to make rooms for cities. Deforestation destroys the habitat of many animals, leading to their death. Main three ways of deforestation, how to stop it, are by minimizing use the wood and wood product, by not using the product that promote destruction of forest, and many people buy fur obtained from animal, ornament made of elephant tusk, etc. This should not be done as it lead to kill the wild animal. Third, by celebrating the growing of plants, as a festival and involving more and more people in this activity. This festival is celebrated many parts of India as one Mahotsav. Thank you.
Okay, thank you also. Now time is going to be up. One more student is Syam. Raise your hand. Hurry up. Only 3 minutes is left. Syam, raise your hand. Syam, if you can hear me, raise your hand. Syam, if you can hear me, raise your hand. Syam, are you unmute yourself, Syam? Yes, start.
Yes, sir. Good morning, guys. My name is Shyam Kumar. I am reading for class 5B. Today, I recite a speech. Importance of forest. Forests are our natural wealth. They are a very important source for us. They provide us many things. Some of them are forests are an important part of our ecosystem, and the plant and animal in an area are their interrelationship with each other and their surrounding is called encourage system. Trees use carbon dioxide present in air and give out oxygen, which is nutrient from our survival by the process of photosynthesis. Trees connect sunlight into food. Trees thus are many source of food for all living behind. They provide shelter to many animals like tiger, lion, zebra, birds, monkey, and squirrel, etc. Trees and plants prevent shade erosion. Trees help to make climate pleasant in summer. Trees soak up rainwater and make the groundwater unable. Thank you, all of us.
Okay, thank you. So rest of that we will do tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will connect, and tomorrow we will do. Okay. So this is all about today. We will connect tomorrow again. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. 2 students also left. Okay, and if you all are interested, you will let me know. Okay, and next day we will again conduct it. We will finalize it. We will finish it. Okay, some of you have spoken very well. Sashi Kumal and Sashi Kumari, and this one more girl was there. She also spoken well. Okay, thank you. Take care. My name next class. Okay. We will again conduct tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye, sir. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay. We will again conduct. We will again conduct tomorrow. Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Have a nice day, sir.
Okay.